So today we are here with our third day session on this COC program. Good morning, everyone. I, on behalf of the Department of English, welcome you all for this second day session on Advanced Diploma course in Communication Skills and Personality Development. Respected Principal of Shri Binsani City College, Dr. Sujit Maitre, the Head of the Department of English, Dr. A.M. Shende, the guest for our today's session, Dr. Rupali Bhave, the organizing team members, respected teachers, and dear students. I welcome you all for this third day session on the effective body language in virtual speech. As you know, we shall take this session for an hour. Then we shall post the videos related to our today's session, quiz, and free experimental assignment sessions. Then shall take the live doubt solving session and assessment sessions also. You have to update it daily with these quiz, assignments, feedback of this resource person. So जैसे कहा जाता है, आंख मिलाकर बात करना और आंख दिखाकर बात करना इसमें अंतर है. मोस्ट ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स तो आंख झुकाकर बात करते हैं इंटरव्यू में. हाथ इधर उधर होते हैं और पूरी दुनिया ढूंढ रहे होते हैं. पाव एक जगह टिक नहीं पाते और कानों को तो कुछ सुनाई नहीं देता. So here I am talking about the body language of a candidate in the time of interview. And today we have Dr. Rupali Bhave ma'am from our college to deliver her speech, to deliver her talk on the effective body language in a verbal speech. She is an MA in English and Linguistics. She has qualified her SET exam and she also has completed her B.Ed. She has published her research papers also and has been the resource person for the COC programs. Good morning, ma'am. I welcome you for today's session. Now I request to Dr. Rupali Bhave ma'am to begin the session.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to Dr. Sujit Maitre sir, Principal of SBCT College, Dr. Tundulwa sir, Vice Principal, IKC Coordinator Dr. Kane ma'am, and Dr. Raktate sir, Head of the English Department Dr. A.M. Shende sir, and my colleagues. I, Dr. Rupali Bhave, welcome to all participants in my live class lecture. Today, my topic is effective body language in virtual speech. Before explaining my topic, I want to tell you about body language. What is body language? Body language is a form of mental and physical ability of human non-verbal communication. It consists of body posture, gestures, facial expression, and eye movements. Humans send and interpret such signals almost entirely subconsciously. We frequently communicate both bodily and verbally, and an estimated 70% of what we communicate may be non-verbal. Body language is a language. There is a language beyond verbal, linguistic, and visual communication, which is expressive and loaded with a denotive and connotative meanings. It has come to be known as body language. बॉडी लैंग्वेज का मतलब क्या होता है? जब भी आप किसी के सामने पेश होते हैं तो न बोलते हुए आपका जो इहलिशन सामने वाला करता है उसको बॉडी लैंग्वेज कहा जाता है. और वर्चुअल प्रेजेंटेशन में ये बॉडी लैंग्वेज बहुत ही मायने रखता है, बिकॉज इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ बॉडी पोस्चर, जेस्चर, facial expression, and eye movements also. Body language is a very powerful tool. We had a body language before we had speech, and apparently 80% of what you understand in a conversation is read through the body, not the words. एक जो ऑथर है डेरोप बुल ने कहा है कि बॉडी लैंग्वेज इज अ वेरी पावरफुल tool because it indicates so many factors so many factors and so many inner emotions are represented by body language. So whenever you speech at a virtual meeting, you have to focus your impressive and effective body language. What is virtual speech? Virtual speech is a convenient and effective way to help students and others to achieve their communication goals from home. Virtual speech sessions are live and interactive, and goals are tailor made for each child and their family's needs. वर्चुअल स्पीच का मतलब क्या होता है कि जो ऑनलाइन स्पीच अपन आज कोरोना के दौर पर अपन जो भी स्पीच करते हैं तो वो वर्चुअल स्पीच करते हैं, ऑनलाइन स्पीच करते हैं। तो अपन डायरेक्टली न मिलते हुए भी जो स्पीच मोबाइल से या जूम मीटिंग से या लैपटॉप से या कंप्यूटर से अपन जो स्पीच करते हैं उसको वर्चुअल स्पीच कहा जाता है। तो ये आज के कोरोना के पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में बहुत ही कन्वीनियंट एंड इफेक्टिव वे है कि जो स्टूडेंट को भी आज उसका बहुत सारी मदद हो रही है, और जो भी वेरियस फील्ड में काम कर रहे लोग वो घर से ही काम कर रहे हैं ड्यू टू द दिस virtual speech. Virtual speech is a convenient and effective way to help students and others to achieve their communication goals from home. There are the so many effective tips for virtual presentation. First effective tip for a virtual presentation is your vocal delivery needs clarity and variety. जब भी आपको virtual speech देना पड़ता है तब आपके आवाज में क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए, वैरायटी होनी चाहिए। अगर आपके आवाज में क्लैरिटी नहीं है तो सामने वाला आपका जो स्पीच है वो अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर पाएगा। तो इसी कारण पहली इफेक्टिव टिप फॉर वर्चुअल प्रेजेंटेशन इज योर वोकल डिलीवरी नीड्स क्लैरिटी एंड वैरायटी। आपके आवाज में वैरायटी होनी चाहिए, क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए। सेकंड टिप इज दैट चेंज अप द टोन ऑफ योर वॉइस। जब भी आपको बोलना है तो आपके आवाज में उतार चढ़ाव आना चाहिए। एक स्टेबल वॉइस से आप बात मत कीजिए, बिकॉज दैट वॉइस विल बी बोर टू समवन, to others, and that's why you have to change up the tone of your voice. आपका जो वर्चुअल स्पीच देते हुए आपका जो आवाज है वो अप डाउन होना चाहिए। द पावर ऑफ पॉज एंड स्पेस। आप जब भी वर्चुअल स्पीच देते तो एक फास्टली मत दीजिए या स्लोली मत दीजिए। उसमें जो पॉज लेना है वहां पर पॉज लीजिए, जहां पर गति से जाना है वहां पर गति से जाइए, बिकॉज it indicates the effective virtual presentation. It shows your effectiveness in your virtual presentation. Fourth effective tip is that posture matters in virtual communication. There is a important posture in virtual communication, in virtual presentation, because it indicates your outside appearance. It is a indication for someone to evaluate yourself, and that's why posture matters in virtual communication play a vital role. Fifth is the eye contact and the use of hands activity. Whenever you have to make virtual presentation, you have to maintain your eye contact with other persons, with in front of the persons, because it gives a positive energy to yourself, and without eye contact you cannot speak confidently and effectively. So maintain your eye contact while speaking with others in virtual presentation, and then use a activity of hands, use of hands activity, because it shows your confidence and your inner emotions while doing a hands activity. And next is the connectivity with others through internet. It is very effective tip for virtual presentation, because without connectivity we cannot imagine a virtual presentation. We cannot imagine of virtual presentation because connectivity plays a vital role in virtual presentation. Connectivity with others through internet is a main part of the virtual presentation. Without internet, we cannot join in another virtual presentation or meeting or speech. Electronic devices like laptop, computers, and mobiles are very important in virtual presentation, because without these devices, we cannot imagine of virtual presentation. And there are the so many benefits of effective virtual speech. The first is access to coursework from anywhere, um, at any time. You have the freedom to study and complete your coursework from anywhere and at any time that suits your busy schedule. If you are out of town on business, you can do your school work, college work back at the hotel while you are waiting for a connecting flight or a between meetings. All you need is your laptop or other digital devices. अगर आपको वर्चुअल स्पीच एक कहीं से भी आप मैनेज कर सकते हो। अगर आपको कोर्स वर्क करना है या कॉलेज का कुछ काम करना है या जो भी होमवर्क स्टूडेंट को होमवर्क करना है या जो भी आपको वर्चुअल प्रेजेंटेशन देना है, तो ये आप मैनेज कर सकते हो घर से भी और कौन सी भी टाइम पर आप मैनेज कर सकते हो। यू कैन डू योर कॉलेज वर्क बैक एट द होटल while you are waiting for a कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट और बिटवीन मीटिंग। आप कहीं पर भी हो, वहां से आप ये वर्चुअल स्पीच कर सकते हो, कौन सी भी टाइम पर कर सकते हो, कौन सी भी सिचुएशन में कर सकते हो। कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर एंड फ्रीडम। Within the program structure, you have the freedom to choose the best times to participate. You are the person who have the freedom to adjust your time at any time. Then next is the effective time management. An online education provides a welcome environment for working adults who need to balance work and family with the new demands going back to college. Next is the expanded worldview. Online degree programs attract students from across the US and around the world, who bring different perspectives from diverse culture. You can join American program from India also. So it can expanded worldview. You can join at any country, at any place, because virtual speech is worldwide communication, and that's why you can expanded worldview in your virtual speech. There is the next point is that discussion with others. We can formulate ideas and emotions through discussions at any time. There is a immediate feedback. We can give immediate feedback. You can ask immediate feedback from others also. Acquire knowledge of digital skills. You will become confident and highly productive using interactive online tools. Uh, it is a knowledgeable mode of virtual speech. There is the most important part in your virtual speech is body language. Why is body language important? There are the so many reasons. The first reason is that to increase self confidence. अगर आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज अच्छी है, इम्प्रेसिव है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका जो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस है वो इंक्रीज होता है। अगर आप किसी के सामने शाय होते हो या किसी के सामने शर्मा जाते हो या आपके माइंड में अगर फियर है वो दिखाते हो, तो दैट लूज योर कॉन्फिडेंस, एंड दैट्स व्हाई योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज is important for increasing your self confidence. The second reason is that to raise self esteem. अपने बॉडी लैंग्वेज से अपन अपनी खुद की जो दर्जा है, आपका खुद का जो स्टेटस है वो अच्छा दिखा सकते हो, बढ़ा सकते हैं। अगर लोगों के सामने अपने को इम्प्रेसिव रहना है तो आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज इम्पोर्टेंट है। टू मेक पीपल चार्मर। अगर लोगों को आप लोगों के सामने आप चार्मिंग दिखना चाहते हो, चार्मर बनना चाहते हो, तो आप ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज अगर अच्छी हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप अट्रैक्ट हो जाओगे और लोग आपके लिए चार्मर बन जाएंगे। टू मेक पीपल चार्मर। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट टू अट्रैक्ट ऑडियंस, अगर वो ऑडियंस को अट्रैक्ट करना है तो ऑटोमेटिकली क्या करना है, आपका जो कॉन्फिडेंस है वो अच्छे से बरकरार रखना है, अपनी बॉडी लैंग्वेज अच्छे से इफेक्टिव और इम्प्रेसिव रखना है कि जेणेकरून अपनी जो ऑडियंस है वो अट्रैक्ट हो जाए. लास्ट रीजन इज दैट टू अचीव अ सक्सेसफुल करियर. आपको अगर सक्सेसफुल करियर मिलाना है, कैप्चर करना है, तो आपकी जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज है वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होनी चाहिए. Why is body language important? Body language plays a big role in intuition as it gives us messages about the other person that we can interpret at an intuitive level. This image shows that 55% body language is important, and secondly 38% important is that tone of voice, and the third thirdly 7% is important for spoken words, and that's why 55% body language is important in your virtual communication. Body language is the combination of four factors. First is gesture, second is posture, third is expression based on situation, and fourth is appearance. uh, First is gesture. Gesture means क्या है? तो जच्चा मीन्स आपके चेहरे के ऊपर का जो हाव भाव, आपकी पूरी बॉडी का जो हाव भाव, मूवमेंट्स, कि उस अगर आपके चेहरे के ऊपर स्माइल नहीं है और आप बड़ी बड़ी बातें सामने वाले के सामने बोल रहे हैं, तो विदाउट दैट जेस्चर यू कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन योर टॉपिक वेरी वेल. अगर आपके चेहरे के ऊपर बहुत अच्छी स्माइल है, आप स्माइल करके नॉर्मल और नेचुरल स्माइल से आप बात कर रहे हैं, तो ऑटोमेटिकली ऑडियंस विल बी अट्रैक्टेड टू योर्स speech, and that's why gesture plays a vital role in body language. Second is posture. Posture means uh, आउट अपीयरेंस, आपके बॉडी का जो बाह्य स्वरूप है, बाह्य अपीयरेंस है, उसको पोस्चर कहा जाता है. तो आपने कौन से कपड़े पहने हैं, आप फॉर्मल ड्रेस पहने हुए हैं कि नहीं, और आप जहाँ पर जा रहे हो वो सुटेबल ड्रेसिंग है क्या, आपका जो चेहरे के ऊपर का हाव भाव कैसा है, ये आपका आई कांटेक्ट कैसा है, ये पूरा पोस्चर में आता है. थर्ड इज एक्सप्रेशन बेस्ड ऑन सिचुएशन. कभी कभी अपन बहुत अच्छा प्रिपेयर करके जाते हैं वर्चुअल स्पीच के लिए, लेकिन बीच में ही एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है या बुरी घटना घट जाती है, तो उसके वजह से आपकी जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज है वो चेंज हो जाती है, आपका पोस्चर बदल जाता है, तो उसका इफेक्ट आपके वर्चुअल स्पीच पे डेफिनेटली होगा. तो दैट इज व्हाई expression based on situation is a main part while giving your virtual speech. And the fourth is appearance. Appearance means आपका बाह्य स्वरूप कैसा है, आप आपकी जो पर्सनालिटी वो क्या रिफ्लेक्ट करती है. कभी कभी ऐसा रहता है कि बहुत सारे टैलेंटेड पर्सन रहते हैं, लेकिन उसकी जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज है वो इतनी इफेक्टिव और इम्प्रेसिव नहीं रहते कि वो अपना नॉलेज रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं. और कोई कोई लोग ऐसे ही रहते हैं कि उसको कुछ नॉलेज नहीं रहता, लेकिन उसका जो बाह्य स्वरूप इतना इम्प्रेसिव रहता है कि ऐसा लगता है कि ये बहुत ही टैलेंटेड पर्सन है. तो ये इफेक्टिव बॉडी लैंग्वेज होना बहुत ही आवश्यक है. अपीयरेंस in virtual speech is most important, and the importance of body language is that psychologists believe non-verbal communication reveals more than the words we speak. और ये साइकोलॉजिस्ट का कहना ये है कि अपना बोलने से ज्यादा अपनी जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज है वो ज्यादा रिफ्लेक्ट करती है, वो ज्यादा कम्युनिकेट करती है. Second reason is that the ability to understand the body language helps in our connection to others and enables us to make the communications more effective. Third is that there are so many types of gesture. There and this image shows that there are the four types of gestures. First is the descriptive gestures. It clarifies or enhances a verbal message. अपनी डिस्क्रिप्टिव जेस्चर्स क्या इंडिकेट करता है कि जो अपना वर्बल मैसेज अपन विदाउट बोलने से ही अपना वर्बल मैसेज कम्युनिकेट करता है, क्लैरिफाई करता है, एनहांस करता है. सेकंड टाइप्स ऑफ जेस्चर इज दैट एम्पैथेटिक जेस्चर्स. इट अंडरस्कोर्स अ वर्बल मैसेज. ये जो अपना शाब्दिक मैसेज जो है वो एम्पैथेटिक जेस्चर्स अपने अपना दे देते हैं. थर्ड इज सजेस्टिव जेस्चर्स. इट सिंबल्स ऑफ आइडियाज एंड इमोशंस. एंड द लास्ट इज दैट prompting gestures. It evokes a desired response to others. कभी कभी अपन किसी को prompting करते हैं तो it evokes a desired response कि अपन उसको चाहते या उसको उसको हेल्प करने की अपन बात करते हैं या उसको हेल्प करने की वहां पर अपन कोशिश करते हैं. तो सेकंड इमेज शोज दैट एक्शन स्पीक्स लाउडर देन वर्ड्स. There are indicates so many expressions of body language. Each picture is different from other picture, and that's why body language is most important in action, because action speaks louder than the words. In virtual space, you have to keep normal and natural smile on your face. Because without smiling face, you cannot forward your message to others effectively. And that's why if you have to give a important message through your virtual speech, keep normal and natural smile on your face. Second thing is that be happy, be enthusiastic, because without happiness, you cannot convey good message to others. Third is open your postures. Your image should be mirror image. You have to open your postures in your virtual speech, because अगर अपन मन में कुछ रखते हैं और बाहर कुछ दिखाते हैं तो that is not a impressive postures for virtual speech. And that's why your image should be open, and mirror your image should be mirror image in front of others in virtual speech. Last is the express your thoughts frankly and impressively. Don't keep fear in your mind while giving virtual speech, because express your thoughts frankly and impressively. You have to express your thoughts frankly and impressively. There are the so many aspects of body language. The first is physical appearance. Whenever you have to give virtual speech, you have to maintain physical appearance. It conveys to others something special. Second is posture. It tells others more than your words do. Third is gesture. It adds a visual aid to what you are saying. Fourth is eye contact. It shows your interest, courage, and confidence. And the fifth is facial expression, a mirror of your emotion. It is a mirror of your emotions. There are so many common gestures, clutches. For example, nervousness. Whenever you become nervous while giving a virtual speech, you do some activity as following: clearing one's throat. अपन घसा जो अपना थ्रोट है वो क्लियर करने की कोशिश करते हैं. चेन स्मोकिंग. नेक्स्ट कवरिंग द माउथ विथ हैंड. अपन अपनी मुंह झांकने की कोशिश करते हैं. नेक्स्ट टैपिंग फिंगर्स. अपने जो फिंगर्स है वो टैप करते हैं. नेक्स्ट विसलिंग. अपने जो वॉइस में विसलिंग क्रिएट हो जाता है. जिंगलिंग पॉकेट चेंज. नेक्स्ट फिजेटिंग. ट्विचिंग लिप्स और फेस. अपन ऐसे ऐसे ट्विचिंग करते हैं लिप्स. तो it indicates nervousness while giving your virtual speech. There is important of posture in virtual speech also. It makes or breaks the communication and shows if the person is interested or disinterested in what is being said. One can easily convey their feelings and attitudes through posture. A speaker who leans forward appears to be very interested rather than the one who slouches. Body language and effective presentation is very effectively connected with each other, because body language is important in effective presentation. When a speaker presents himself, we see him before we start hearing him. Immediately we begin developing impressions of his ability and attitudes based on the non-verbal signal he sends. This is why body language is so important in oral communication. There are the most important part of a virtual speech is expression. Expression gives a very wide impact in your virtual speech, because it indicates your posture. It is the most important how to stand while giving a presentation. This image shows that how important is to stand while giving a presentation. Hand positions for effective presentation. There are some hand positions, for example, stippling. It shows that you have maintained your self confidence, intellectual arrogance. And second image shows that hand claps, it is a very anxious and control. The third is a nose touch. It whenever we touch nose, it shows that we have some doubt in our mind. And the fourth image shows that Yelchin race, it is a image of critical evaluation. Whenever we have to make a evaluation critically of someone, we sit in Yelchin race. And the last image shows that mouth block. Mouth block image is important, because whenever we have to resist our speech, we have to we have to keep a mouth blocked. How does body speak? Like any spoken language, body language has words, sentences, and punctuation. Each gesture is like a single word, and one word may have several different meanings. There are the so many presentation body strategies. Firstly, I have want to tell you tips for success. For capturing success in your virtual speech or interview, you have to maintain these tips for success. First is dress appropriately. Whenever you have to give virtual speech, you have to dress appropriately and formally. Second is that face the audience. Whenever you have to give virtual speech, you have to face the audience and keep control on audience in your speech. The third is consider your posture. Fourth is vary your gestures. Fifth is use open hand gestures. Sixth is control your facial expression. These are the tips for success in virtual speech. And there are some pitfalls to avoid. First is fidgeting, second is slouching, third is using the wrong gesture, fourth is standing still, fifth is looking at the screen, sixth is not involving visual aids, etc. There are the so many types of body language in virtual speech. The first is ways of talking, second is posture, third is appearance, fourth is head movements. कभी कभी ऐसे ऐसे अपन head movement करते हैं, तो it indicates your denying. Next is a hand movements, next is eye movements, next is facial expression, next is body contact, next is closeness and sound. These are the types of body language which we use in virtual speech. There are so many powerful body language tips. The first is to sound authoritative, keep your voice down. Second is to show agreement, mirror expression and posture. Third is to stimulate good feeling, smile. Fourth is to connect instantly with someone, shake hand. Last is to increase participation, look like you are listening. पहली बात क्या है, जब भी आपको पावरफुल बॉडी लैंग्वेज टिप्स आपको फॉलो करना है, तो पहली बात है कि आपको जो आवाज है उसमें इतना कॉन्फिडेंटली होना चाहिए, उसमें इतना उतार चढ़ाव होना चाहिए कि आप आपके आवाज से ही किसी को अट्रैक्ट कर सकेंगे. Secondly, you have to show agreement, mirror expression and posture. आपकी बॉडी से ऐसे पता होना चाहिए कि मिरर एक्सप्रेशन ऑटोमेटिकली आपके जो अंदर के एक्सप्रेशन है वो रिफ्लेक्ट होने चाहिए. नेक्स्ट इज स्टिमुलेट गुड फीलिंग्स. अच्छी फीलिंग्स आप स्टिमुलेट कीजिए, स्माइल रखिए अपने चेहरे के ऊपर. नेक्स्ट इज टू कनेक्ट इंस्टेंटली विथ समवन, शेक हैंड्स. आप आपको ये जो वर्चुअल स्पीच में ये पॉसिबल नहीं है शेक हैंड्स करना, लेकिन आप अपने हाथ के जो मूवमेंट्स है, आप अपना जो ईगरनेस शो कर सकते हैं, आपकी इंटरेस्ट शो कर सकते हैं. तो दैट्स व्हाई शेक हैंड्स is a most important part in virtual speech. To encourage participation, look like you are listening. और पार्टिसिपेशन में ऐसे आप बिहेव कीजिए कि आप वो वर्चुअल स्पीच लिसन कर रहे हैं, नहीं तो आप सिर्फ ज्वाइन होके वो वर्चुअल स्पीच में आप अच्छी बॉडी लैंग्वेज नहीं दे सकते. ऐसे दिखाए कि आप उसमें इन्वॉल्व हो और वो आप स्पीच लिसन कर रहे हैं. Next, you should have impressive presentation skills also. It includes your appearance, your speech ability, eye contact, expression, etc. Next, there is the most important is a role of kinesics in communication. Kinesics is the interpretation of body language such as facial expression and gesture, or more formally, non-verbal behavior related to movement, either of any part of the body or the body as a whole. This image shows that hi. She doesn't say hi, but this posture, this hand movement, this kinetic movement shows that her eagerness to join virtual speech. Next, this sign indicates your victory. It indicates your victory. You have got a success in your action, in your program, and that's why it indicates your success and victory. The body language is most important in kinesics. Kinesics is the scientific study of body movements involved in communication, especially as they accompany speech. This includes gestures, facial expressions, eye behavior, and posture, commonly called body language of non-verbal behavior. Kinesics was developed by American anthropologists. Some kinesics activities are such as sometimes we evaluate to others by showing this very nice. It indicates that very nice, this message is forward automatically by doing such activity. That's why it is a sign, it is a hand activity of giving your verbal message by saying that very nice. These are the activities of body language in kinesics. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to speak in front of you. Thank you very much.
Hope student, you have learned a lot of things today in this third day session. So be yourself as natural as possible according to the situation. Go with the flow, and there should be a little smile on your face. Maintain good eye contact. Eye contact should be expressive, and it should be like you are involved in the communication. So be confident. And with this, I would like to ask now Ms. Harsha Borghare ma'am for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. A lovely and warm morning to all. It's a matter of pride for me that I'm proposing a vote of thanks for this session. I, on behalf of English department, first to all, spread my most sincere thanks to the organizing team, the principal of college, Dr. Sujit Maitre sir, HOD of department, Dr. Anil Shende sir, IQSC coordinator, Dr. Pranjali Kane ma'am, Dr. Raktate sir, and respected teachers. I want to thank the resource person of the day, Dr. Rupali Bhave ma'am, who gave her vital time for her busy schedule to grace this session or meeting. Further, I big thanks to the Miss Amrapali ma'am for her efforts towards to raise anchoring with her appreciating ideas. Last but not least, I would like to thank the students who are present here. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Okay, now today's program is over here.